Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before starting the video, if you are new and have not subscribed our YouTube channel, press the subscribe button. In today's video, we will learn what is observation. Introduction. The observation method is most commonly used method in behavioral science. Observation becomes a scientific tool and the method of data collection for the researcher when it serves a formulated research purpose, is systematically planned and recorded, and is subjected to checks and controls on validity and reliability. It also a process of recording the behavior patterns of people, objects, and occurrences without questioning or communicating with them. Observation means viewing or seeing. We go on observing something or other while we are awake. Most of such observations are just casual and have no specific purpose. But observation as a method of data collection is different from such casual viewing. Definitions of observation. According to Gorman and Clayton, define observation studies as those that involve the systematic recording of observable phenomena or behavior in a natural setting. Another definition, observation enables the researcher to describe existing situation using the five senses, provide a written photograph of the situation under study. Why to observe? Observation allows the researcher to study people in their natural setting without their behavior being influenced by the presence of researcher. Observational data usually consist of detailed information about particular group or situation. This kind of data can fill out and provide a deeper, richer understanding than survey work, which tend to produce less detailed information about a larger number of people. Some methods only allow for the study of one individual at a time. Observation enables the researcher to study group of people together, that is, it allows for the study of interaction between the members of group. Types of observation: participant observation, non-participant observation, direct observation, indirect observation, controlled observation, and uncontrolled observation. Number 1, participant observation. In this observation, the observer is a part of the phenomena or group which observe, and he acts as a both an observer and participant. Example, a study of tribal customs by an anthropologist by taking part in tribal activities like folk dance. The person who are observed should not be aware of the researcher's purpose, then only their behavior will be natural. Number 2, non-participant observation. In this method, the observer stands apart and does not participate in the phenomenon observed. Naturally, there is no emotional involvement on the part of the observer. This method calls for skills in recording observation in an unnoticed manner. Example, use of recording devices to examine the detail of how people talk and behave together. Number 3, direct observation. This means observation of an event personally by the observer when it takes place. This method is flexible and allows the observer to see and record subtle aspects of events and behavior as they occur. He is also free to shift places, change the focus of the observation. Example, observer is physically present to monitor. Number 4, indirect observation. This does not involve the physical presence of the observer and the recording is done by mechanical, photographic or electronic devices. Example, recording customer and employee movements, a special motion picture cameras mounted in a department of store. Number 5, controlled observation. Controlled observation is carried out either in the laboratory or in the field. It is typified by clear and explicit decisions on what, how, and when to observe. It is primarily used for inferring causality and testing causal hypotheses. Uncontrolled observation. This does not involve our extrinsic and intrinsic variables. It is primarily used for descriptive research. Participant observation is a typically uncontrolled one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Subscribe for more videos.